Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're playing Rematch Beta and you're encountering the dreaded D3D12-Compatible GPU error related to shader model 6.6, you're not alone. This error usually happens when your system or drivers aren't fully up to date with the DirectX 12 requirements. But don't worry, in this video, we'll cover both basic and advanced fixes to get you back in the game. First, we'll go over the basic fixes that should resolve the issue for most players. Then, for those of you who need more advanced solutions, we'll dive into those towards the end of the video. So make sure to stick around till the end to get the full solution. We'll start with the basics. First, check if your GPU supports DirectX 12 and shader model 6.6 by using the DirectX tool. Next, make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. You can do this by visiting the official website of your GPU manufacturer or using GeForce Experience for NVIDIA users. Now, we need to ensure your system has the latest version of DirectX. Head over to Microsoft's website and install the latest version to prevent compatibility issues. If you've been overclocking your GPU, it might cause instability. Let's turn off any overclock settings and revert to the default for now. If you're still seeing the error after trying those basic steps, don't worry. We're moving on to more advanced fixes. That should get you back to gaming without interruptions. If the error persists, try adjusting the graphics settings within the game itself. Switch from DirectX 12 to DirectX 11 in the settings to see if that resolves the issue. As a last resort, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the game. This ensures all files are fresh and up to date, which can help fix any corrupted game files.